Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM6. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your TM6 is wobbling and not functioning properly, you are not alone. This issue often arises due to a faulty base or legs that have become misaligned or damaged. If left unattended, this can lead to further damage or even complete failure of your device, making it essential to address the problem as soon as possible. To carry out this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement base and legs for your TM6, and some patience. First, ensure your TM6 is unplugged and placed on a stable surface. Begin by carefully using the flathead screwdriver to pry off the base cover. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips. Once the cover is off, you'll see the screws securing the motor and legs. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws, but be cautious, they can be quite tight. Keep track of the screws and their locations for reassembly. Now, gently lift the motor assembly to access the legs. You might notice that one or more legs are loose or broken. To replace them, simply pull them out from their slots. Take your new legs and insert them into the correct positions, ensuring they are secure. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After replacing the legs, lower the motor assembly back into place and reinsert the screws, applying just the right amount of force to avoid stripping them. Now, carefully reattach the base cover, ensuring it clicks back into place securely. Finally, plug in your TM6 and test it out. It should now function properly without any wobbling. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to regularly check the stability of your TM6 and avoid placing excessive weight on the device. Also, keep the legs clean and free from debris that might cause misalignment. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.